So welcome back to our channel. If you're coming for the very first time, you are welcome. I am the beautiful face behind all those beautiful videos that you've been seeing. On today's video, we are going to be making like 10 dishes at the same time. We are going to make meat pie, puff puff, jollof rice, onugbu soup, grilled fish, grilled plantain, and every other thing that you can ever think of, because you're having a very big party today. So please, I want you guys to stick around with me and enjoy the rest of this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you have not done that already. And my girl Adaora is behind the camera. If you guys remember her, she was the one that made the moi moi when I was pregnant. I'll link the video in the description box. So yeah, say hi to her. Shout out to Adaora. So
hi everyone, please subscribe if you haven't.
Subscribe to our channel and watch our cooking videos.
Yes, please.
So here we have the thing for, not the thing, the filling for our meat pie. We are making meat pie, so this is the filling. Then over here is the bitter leaf. Let me get this spoon. The bitter leaf that we will need to make our bitter leaf soup. So this, we are trying to soften the bitter leaf because it's in dried form. So we are trying to like make it soft and remove the bitterness to some extent. So yes, you guys should stick around with us and see what we are up to and what we can come up with today. Right now I'm going to pour in this flour. We are going to use this to thicken the meat pie filling. So this one is ready. Let's turn off the heat. We are going to set it aside to cool down completely, then we can use it for our meat pie. Trying to mix my puff puff. I've added the flour and the yeast. So let me drop this camera and hurry up. I'm done with the puff puff batter. I'm going to cover it and keep in a warm place for it to proof. This will take about 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on how hot the place is. So I think the warmest place we have in this house now should be the oven. So we should use the oven. We are not turning the oven on though, just the oven bulb to keep it warm. Then sometimes I keep it outside, like when we're in summer, I keep it outside because
Unfortunately guys, we failed.
we did not fail, but we just just keep it here.
Okay.
And knock over, so like you're not scared of ants or anything. It's safe. It's properly sealed.
Peace out.
Oh wow, and then your basil.
People are garden.
And tomatoes.
Oh yeah, he's gonna come help me do my garden.
Oh. So what are you using this for?
This one should be for the rice. So I'm trying to cut, just slice it a little bit so that when I wash it and season it, the season will go in for the marination. Yeah. So just give it a little cut. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. We have a lot to eat today, girl.
And this is our pepper mix. Yeah, this is disaster. Pepper mix for plantain, for grilled plantain. This is green bell pepper, red and onions mixed together, and our pepper mix for our jollof rice. This is our beef for our bitter leaf soup. Okay. Then we are still going to marinate this fish. Okay, man, I was see your boroka. Ko we kiss if don't know get you were pressure pot.
Yeah.
Okay. So back up for our local sauce. Ooh. Okay, so Ada, what do we have in here?
So here is our marinade for the chicken, and I added paprika,
Okay.
thyme, curry,
This is the chicken.
basil,
Wow, it smells good. What's that?
chili powder, then
Oh, the
buffalo spice, and honey, just then
Wow.
some vegetable oil
Okay.
and lemon, of course. Oh yeah, I think I need to add more.
Lemon.
Yeah.
Wow, American chicken can be amazing here.
Yeah.
Wow. You can put it.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Really?
I mean, nobody's gonna eat it.
Chef Adaora.
Yes.
Can I get your face?
on the bait?
Baby
Yeah,
girl.
get my pimple
Baby
face.
girl for life.
Get my
Baby
pimple
girl for life. I trust you. Okay, our guests will soon be here. Let's see your face. Buga.
If you're new on this channel,
Yes.
subscribe, okay? Let me see you.
Go la la la.
Let me see you. Go la la la.
Buga.
Guys, don't mind me, okay? I'm crazy over here. So we're gonna just do this marinade, and I'll put them in Ziploc bags, then put them in the fridge. Yeah.
It makes sense.
Yeah, and I feel like I should marinate the tilapia right now too.
Yes.
Let's just do this because we don't have time again.
We
Adaora.
don't. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Look at the color is popping.
Yeah.
It's popping, guys.
Yeah, just go ahead and marinate the tilapia too. Let me just face the baking, the meat pie and the puff puff. Just go ahead with this one.
Okay.
You're already killing it. So.
Yes, so team works. That's it.
You're already killing it. So
That's it.
go ahead. Go ahead.
you.
Ahead.
Thank you for stopping by.
Okay. Let me go back to my station. Let me go back to my
Go to
workstation.
your station, go. Say, go, la, la, la. Go, la, 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 go. Hi, Adaora. Nimepeisia. Papa si weapon ya. He weapon ya nna na yikwala. Kefa ha mezelu.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
Oh, Chineke onye ọla ebe. Chineke, how are we gonna do this, Adaora?
So quiet and milk over the first two. All these don't worry. I'll do it.
Okay, no problem. Guys, we'll come back later. This is about to be messy right now.
Hi, Ife.
Say hi,
Guys,
mommy.
do you guys remember when I was pregnant with this baby in my belly? And this auntie came to do omogo. Then this baby refused to come out. Auntie had to like extend her flight. so that she can wait for me to have the baby. And even after staying for how many more days?
Three more days. Total of 15 days.
Right, and that was past my due date. This baby did not come out. Then the morning this auntie left.
Yeah, you went into labor.
I went into labor.
Yeah,
exactly. Then
and you had this precious boy.
I had this baby.
How many hours? Is it Sunday?
In the night.
Yeah.
You went on Friday. So just less than 24 hours this auntie left. This baby came.
Yep.
And so she didn't
see him.
Yeah, but now
You don't want me to see him, but now he's here with me.
Here.
He's here with me for a whole week.
See your auntie. Auntie came to do omugo and you refused to come out. You refused to come out for her to see you. I didn't knock on a check in or before puta. So finally,
the baby mama dance me and
I
everything. Go walk, everything. This boy refused to come out. But he's here. He's so quiet. Such a cool baby.
I can observe already.
Yep.
He
just woke up.
Hi, boo boo.
Sleeping for how many hours?
If you say hi.
Say hi, mommy.
Hi, boo boo.
Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
Say you're the best mama ever.
Oh, ube, ife chuku.
Say hi, subscribe to my mommy's channel.
Ife.
Click on the notification bell. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to come back on this channel, subscribe. Yes. Right. See, the coolest. He's so gentle. Now, if your first son is as gentle as he is, then anyway won't get you. Yeah, he's so gentle. And this second son people here. Second son people. Ago, Professor Kankam. They're so clever and so
cooking updates. Hey, can you go check on our puff butter?
Right.
This is taking forever to dry up. I don't know why.
Yeah,
did you ready? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now we finished cleaning the fish. We've removed the gills that's inside the fish head. We've removed everything. We're ready to marinate the chicken, the fish. I mean, this is the marinade that my namesake is preparing
for the fish.
Hey, Ife, you want to eat? Let me see your teeth. Let's see your teeth. Let's see your cute teeth. Your cute teeth. This is for our meat pie, the meat pie dough. So we are grating in some nutmeg. This is brown sugar, by the way. They're using brown sugar because we don't have the normal white sugar. We're using Kerrygold butter. So this is approximately 2 kg of flour. So we are going to use 1,000 grams of butter because each 500 grams of butter makes 1,000 grams of meat pie. Okay. Cooking updates. This is the stockfish for our bitter leaf soup. This is the chicken for our jollof rice. The reason we are cooking this is just to have some meat stock for our jollof rice. That's the only reason why we are boiling this chicken. We want to get the meat stock and use it for our jollof rice. This is the pepper the pepper mix we want to use to make our local sauce, because we are going to grill those plantains here. And this is opaka. What's the English name for opaka? Is it castor? Oil beans seed,
Grated
right?
oil beans, I think so.
Okay, so this is what we will use to make the pepper mix, the pepper sauce, the local sauce.
Yeah, for the roasted plantain.
For the roasted plantain. And this is
Smoked turkey for the noble sauce.
let me show them. So this is the marinated chicken drumstick. We are going to grill this outside. These are the marinated tilapia fishes. This is the dough for the meat pie. And this one over here, the baby is crying.
I specifically bought it for that.
Okay. So let's go outside and get our puff puff batter and see if it has doubled in size as expected.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow
Oh, this is so good. I love this.
I'm happy now. It also tastes good. It's not just looking good.